Hello, everyone. Greetings and welcome to the Sheng Weekly Meditation Webinar. I'm Dr. Miles, and good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to Sheng members all across the world. Today we'll start standing. Find a comfortable standing position, and we'll do the Zhongtian movement to open. Ready, blow. Left hand up, connecting with heaven. Down, connecting with earth. Thumbs join, merging with the universe. We'll begin the practice of Heaven Nature Heart Contemplation. First movement. Ready. Begin. 1, 2, 1, 2. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Continue. Boat rowing in the stream of air. The feeling is you are light and carefree as a newborn child, as if you'd never suffered any pain. There's a freshness, a newness, cheerful thoughts wandering through your mind. Same time. Hips slowly come up, arms coming down. Same time arriving. Last 1 and finish 2. Next, rocking. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Continue. Traveling eastward across the ocean. smaller. And then small movement. The feeling's still big. Slow. Coming to a stop. Next. 1, 2. Bending back only as far as you can hold. Backs of hands, the thumbs, the backs of thumbs touching the forehead. Body bent back only as far as you can hold. Rest for a moment. First, arms straight. No bend in the elbows. First, arms straight. Coming together about chest height. Then, same time, arms begin to bend. Same time, body and elbows. Same time bending. Same time arrive. Don't need to bend back so far, just as far as is comfortable to hold. One. Qi coming up from the Dan Tian. 2. All the way into the head. And hold. Then a gentle bounce, go back a little further and up. Now, hands slowly go down. Qi stays, having filled the central channel all the way up to the head. Your pure Qi, your healthy Qi preserved as we go into expelling unhealthy Qi. Healthy Qi preserved in the central channel. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, Lao Gung, open, gentle squeeze, imagining unhealthy energy coming out. The Lao Gung, everything else squeezing, helping it to come out, to re-merge with the universe. Not too much force. Lighter, slower. Finish. Body down, wrists relax, and then slowly straighten your body. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, body, knees, legs straight, twisting to your right. Right hand at the chest. Left elbow, right elbow down. Again. 1. Again. 1. Same time, body arrives facing the diagonal. Hand arrives at the chest. Wrist relaxed. Again. 1. Again. 1. Now, body will face forward slowly as the left arm is going to come up to meet the right arm at the chest. Elbows will rise. So from here, 2. Again. Here, legs straight. 2. Knees are bent. Again, legs straight. 2. Knees bent. Again, elbow is down. 2. Both elbows up. Again, elbows 2. Up, shoulders relax. Again. Body faces right. Head faces same direction as the body. And then, as body goes back to center, head stays to the right. 2. Again. 2. Again. 2. 1 and 2 together. 1. Body twisting to the right. Head following the body. Right arm to the chest. Elbow is down. Wrist is relaxed. 2. Head stays right, body forward, knees bend, elbows up. Again. 1. Knees mostly straight, elbow down. 2. Knees bend, elbows up. And then 3. Right arm out, left arm up. The chi feeling from the dantian coming up into the heart, and then going everywhere, very far, connecting very far. This movement is called Gui, or gazing at the moon. So the feeling is chi going everywhere, connecting with the universe, and then looking up into the right, the full moon, connecting a beam of light from the full moon. Together, 1, 2, 3, and hold. Chest is open, shoulders are relaxed, head looking up and to the right. Breathing is natural. The feeling is big. You're a big person connected very far with the universe and the full moon. Gazing at the full moon. A beam of light from the moon connecting to your third eye, to your head, to your niwa. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in and twirling chi above your head. The feeling like a big column of chi twirling, circling one way and the other way. Balancing yin and yang. The movement out into the world and back into oneself. Last time. 2, 1, and finish. 1, right hand in front of your face, left behind your head. 2, right hand down to Dan Chen, left hand over your head to your right cheek, body twisted to the right. Again. 1, right hand in front of your face, right hand only. 2, down your midline to the Dantian, the center of the palm, the Laogung at the center of the palm, aligned with the center of your body, not fingers with the center. Laogung with the center. Right hand only. 1, 2. Same time, body finishes and hand finishes, not body is finished, hand still going, not hand finishes, body still going. Same time. 1, 2. Same time finish. Left arm. 1, behind your head. 2, the elbow. 2, over. Leading with the elbow. So 1, 2, 2, 2. Not the hand, not to the hand leading, no. To the elbow, leads the arm, leads the hand over to the opposite cheek. Movement comes from the upper arm, the elbow. 1, 2. Same time, everything finishes together. 1, 2. Last time. 1, 2. And then 1. 2. 1. Scooping, circling into your chest, and 2. Down to your dantian while you're scooping with the other hand. 1. Same time. One arm ends at the dantian, the other hand in front of the face. Then change direction with the body. Bottom hand scoops, top hand down. Same time. Dantian in front of face, body twisted, and then change. Same time, body twists the other way. Bottom hand leaves the dantian. Top hand comes onto the chest. Same time. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Continue. If you're comfortable with the movement, close your eyes. If you're not yet comfortable with the timing, keep your eyes open. Follow my speed. If very comfortable, follow your own speed. And go into the feeling, deep into the feeling of building dawn and cultivating Sheng. Dawn is a foundation. Building a strong foundation like the Dan Tian. And cultivating Sheng. Sheng means temperament, character, becoming a good-hearted person. Finish. Next. 1. Hold. Overlooking the ocean. Like waves of chi, of energy into your body, back out into the world. Continue. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Inhale. Exhale. Continue. Last time. Change. 1, 2. Left on top of right. 1, 2. Rotate. 1, pulling in. Relax and lift the elbows. 2, pushing forward. 1, 2. 1, 2. Make sure left is on top of right and pulling in. Wrists stay flexed, elbows closer, and then wrists relax, elbows farther apart, arms forward. Left is on top. Rotate, pull in, left still on top. Elbows closer and farther. Elbows in and down, pulling the hands out and forwards. 1, 2. 1, 2. Continue. Lotus flower going through the mountain. When the movement feels comfortable, you can add the chest relaxing, pulling the arms in and then expanding, helping push the arms forward and relaxing in, expanding forward. Last 1, finish. 2, 3, 4. Back is rounded, elbows forward. Find the dantian. Navel down, dantian, middle fingers in. Finish. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Smaller. Gradually coming to a stop and imagining like you're a crane in a vast open field of snow. Nothing as far as you can see in any direction, just the white of the snow and the glistening of the light of the sun. And the feeling of a peacefulness, a tranquility from just being. So thank you everyone so much for joining for our Sheng weekly practice webinar. And we'll do the Zhong Tian movement to close. Ready, blow. Gratitude for yourself for taking time for self-care, to each other for connecting as a community, to Master Li, to Teacher Jing, and for the Sheng practices themselves. Thank you so much, everyone. Take care and have a healthy and happy day.